This video will explore the various options for beautiful gates and fences for private houses. It will look at the different materials, designs, and features available, as well as the advantages and disadvantages of each. It will also provide tips on how to choose the right gate and fence for your home. What are the benefits of having a beautiful gate and fence for a private house? Enhanced security. A beautiful gate and fence can provide an extra layer of security for your home. It can help to deter potential intruders and give you peace of mind. Increased privacy. A gate and fence can provide a sense of privacy and security for your home. It can also help to block out noise from the outside world. Improved curb appeal. A beautiful gate and fence can enhance the look of your home and increase its curb appeal. This can add value to your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Increased safety. A gate and fence can help to keep children and pets safe in your yard. It can also provide a barrier between your home and the street, which can help to reduce the risk of accidents. Added aesthetic appeal. A beautiful gate and fence can add a touch of elegance and charm to your home. It can also be a great way to express your personal style and make your home stand out from the rest. What are some of the different types of gates and fences available for private houses? Wooden gates and fences. These are the most popular type of gates and fences for private houses. They provide a classic look and are relatively easy to install. Aluminum gates and fences. These offer a modern look and are more durable than wooden gates and fences. They are also more expensive. Vinyl gates and fences. These are a great option for those looking for a low-maintenance option. They are also more affordable than aluminum and wooden gates and fences. Chain-link fences. These are a great option for those looking for a more secure option. They are also relatively easy to install and maintain. Wrought iron gates and fences. These offer a classic and elegant look. They are also more expensive than other types of gates and fences. What are the advantages and disadvantages of each type of gate and fence? Wooden gates and fences. Advantages. Wooden gates and fences are relatively inexpensive and easy to install. They are also aesthetically pleasing and can be customized to fit any style. Wooden gates and fences are also durable and can last for many years with proper maintenance. Disadvantages. Wooden gates and fences require regular maintenance and can be prone to rot and decay if not properly cared for. They can also be vulnerable to insect damage and can be difficult to repair if damaged. Wooden gates and fences can also be more expensive than other materials such as vinyl or metal. Vinyl gates and fences. Advantages: vinyl gates and fences are relatively inexpensive and easy to install. They are also low maintenance and require little to no upkeep. Vinyl gates and fences are also durable and can last for many years with proper maintenance. Disadvantages: vinyl gates and fences can be vulnerable to extreme temperatures and can become brittle in cold weather. They can also be difficult to repair if damaged and may require professional installation. Vinyl gates and fences can also be more expensive than other materials such as wood or metal. Metal gates and fences. Advantages: metal gates and fences are extremely durable and can last for many years with proper maintenance. They are also low maintenance and require little to no upkeep. Metal gates and fences are also aesthetically pleasing and can be customized to fit any style. Disadvantages: metal gates and fences can be expensive and require professional installation. They can also be vulnerable to rust and corrosion if not properly cared for. Metal gates and fences can also be difficult to repair if damaged. In conclusion, beautiful gates and fences can be a great addition to any private house. They can add a unique touch to the property, provide security, and increase the value of the home. With the right design and materials, these features can be an attractive and practical solution for any homeowner.